A Fidelity 529 plan is a tax-advantaged savings plan designed to help families save for higher education expenses. To get the most out of your Fidelity 529 plan, follow these steps. First, understand the benefits of a 529 plan, which includes tax-free growth and withdrawals for qualified education expenses. Then, choose the right investment options, such as age-based portfolios that automatically adjust as the beneficiary gets closer to college age. Consider contributing regularly through automatic investments to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. Take advantage of state tax deductions or credits if your state offers them, as this can help reduce your taxable income. It is also essential to monitor and adjust your investment portfolio periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your risk tolerance and savings goals. You can do this by rebalancing your portfolio or changing your investment options. Additionally, consider the rules for qualified education expenses, which include tuition, fees, room and board, as well as expenses for apprenticeships, student loan repayments, and K-12 education. To maximize the benefits of your Fidelity 529 plan, make sure to keep accurate records of your contributions and withdrawals, as you will need to report this information on your tax return. Finally, explore other college savings options, such as prepaid tuition plans or Coverdell education savings accounts, to determine the best fit for your family's needs. By following these tips, you can effectively use your Fidelity 529 plan to save for higher education expenses and make the most of the available tax benefits. Remember to always review and adjust your plan as needed to ensure you are on track to meet your college savings goals.